Today, we're unboxing and assembling the Accolmile Mini e-bike conversion kit. This kit is perfect for European riders wanting a legal e-bike boost. It features a Bluetooth-powered 250 watts motor, no throttle, and complies with speed regulations. We put it together in under 30 minutes, making it a quick and easy upgrade for your bike. First things first, crack open that box. You'll see a pre-built 28-inch wheel with the hub motor already in place. Set that aside for a sec. The rest of the goodies include a phone holder, battery charger, some tools to get you going, a battery mount, and the coolest part, a super lightweight battery that looks just like a water bottle. Pretty slick, right? Alright, let's get down to business. We're gonna start by yanking off your old rear wheel. Use the tool they give you to pop off the cassette. Then, take the tire and inner tube off too. We'll be moving those over to the new wheel in a sec. Now, to install that cassette on the new wheel, you'll need to take off the bolts and washers with the wrench they provided. Cassette goes on the hub, tighten it up good. Use a wrench and the provided tool to ensure it's securely tightened. And you're ready to rock. Now, let's install the new wheel. First, place the inner tube and tire onto the wheel as you would with any regular bike wheel. Inflate the tire, then mount the wheel back onto the bike. For optimal results, set the bike on the floor to ensure the axle is correctly positioned and secure. Fasten it with the washers and bolts. Use a 15mm wrench to tighten everything firmly on both sides. We're almost done. Almost there means it's time to deal with the battery. Ditch the little cap that's protecting the cable connection. Stick the battery mount where your water bottle cage normally goes, tighten up the screws, and connect the cable. Make sure those arrows line up for a secure connection. Don't be shy. Give it a good squeeze. Use the zip ties to keep the cable tidy along the frame. And snip off any excess. Slide that battery into its new home. Pop the phone holder on your handlebars and fire up the battery to make sure everything's working. And there you have it, folks. The Accolmile Mini Kit is installed and ready to roll. This bad boy works with or without their app, so the choice is yours. Now get out there and enjoy the ride.